Hey food lovers, today I am making juicy El Pastor Chipotle Chicken tacos with homemade blue corn tortillas, a perfect mix of smoky, spicy and fresh flavors. I started by chopping one Jidori chicken breast, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoon of adobo chipotle sauce, El Pastor seasoning as per your taste, half lemon juice, salt as per your taste, 1 to 2 tsp chili powder. Mix it all together, chicken, all the flavor, all the spices. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes to soak up all those bold smoky flavors. For the blue corn tortillas, I used 1 cup Masienda blue corn masa harina flour, 1 to 2 tsp olive oil, salt per taste, half cup of warm water. Adjust as needed. You can add more if the dough is too dry. Just make it like soft. Knead the dough properly. You don't want dry dough. Cover the dough for 15 to 20 minutes with wet cloth. Cook the marinated chicken until tender and juicy. Now remove the cloth. Take a small piece of dough and roll it gently into a bowl. Place it in between 2 sheets of parchment paper and press it just once, softly, gently, to shape a round, perfect tortillas. Place the tortillas on a hot pan and cook for about 40 to 50 seconds on each side, just until a light golden brown spots appear. Now it's time to plate. Layer 3 warm blue corn tortillas, top with a chipotle chicken. Put pepper jack, cheese on top, fresh pico de gallo, lettuce, and a creamy Greek yogurt avocado dressing. Serve it with fresh salsa, guacamole, and tortillas chips. Everything here is from Whole Foods and the blue corn flour from Masienda. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soulful recipes. Your support fuels my kitchen. Thank you. See you next time.